Sa kay ma'am.
May gas yan. May gas ba yan?
May driver ba yan?
Alangan. Alangan.
Kaya nga.
Ah, kaya nga. Ano pala train?
Objects from your bus. Sit on, stand best over the head.
Diba?
Ano ba naman? Balik. Huwag mo na kasi buksan mo sa
Round the waist and push end to buckle.
pati din ang sasabi.
Full tape pilot. When outside the aircraft, full inflation pads inflate the vest. Manual inflation is done by the means of the
Alapit
resistors.
na alapit
Blow to increase air and push pins upward to reduce air. Light automatically eliminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft
Ay, lapit ka na taas. Sa airplane.
in case of rapid change, static pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it
Ah, para
over. Pull the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for stock fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before election depende sa mga oras na ito. These safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance with existing regulations and to provide security and assistance experience in mind. Your safety and comfort is our utmost priority. We wish everyone enjoyable flight. Again, it's 53905 bound for Katipunan, Boracay. Good afternoon and welcome aboard.
Ah, dyan kita wala tayo, no? Ato.
Let's go.
Yan na, be. Dito ka tingin, no? Under na, oh. Sorry. Wow.
Ito, lagay ito.
Ayan na, bibilis na. Bibilis na, dyan eh. Bibilis na. Ito ko sa'yo.